Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion, reaction itong editorial ng Philippine Star, August 10. Title, Investigating the Shameless. Shameless. Ito ba yung sona ng Pangulo? Mahiya naman kayo! So, kumusta na? Sabi, it's been nearly 2 weeks since President Marcos initiated a shame campaign against public officials and their accomplices in the private sector who have been pocketing funds meant to flood control projects. To this day, it's unclear who or which agency is conducting the probe. So, usad pagong. Walay klaro. Sino ba ang mag-imbestiga? To me, hindi ko pa maintindihan sino talaga nag-imbestiga. So, malabo, usad, pagong pa. Ang ganda na sana yung momentum ba? Tama yung ginawa ng Pangulo na shameless campaign o shame campaign. Mahiya naman kayo. Tama yun. Ang kailangan ngayon, yung mabilis na aksyon, yung very clear na direction sa investigation. Ngayon malabo eh. Dito, unclear. At anti-unclear. The Commission on Audit is mandated to review such projects, although various quarters have pointed out the difficulty of auditing flood control interventions, particularly dredging and desilting of bodies of water. Although trabaho ng COA yan, matagal. Dapat may iba. It's not the Department of Public Works and Highways conducting the probe. The President has clarified. So, maganda yon. Kasi, huwag na lang kung DPWH lang din ang mag-imbestiga, huwag na lang. Wala tayong maasahan. So, maganda, clarify ng Pangulo. No way. Pinapasubmit lang ang mga listahan. So, sino ngayon ang maganda? Okay, ano ba? The President issued the clarification amid observations that DPWH personnel themselves are being implicated in what he had described as palpak and guni-guni, defective or imagined non-existent flood control. Okay. Kamara, pwede ba sila? Kasi parang nagsisimula na eh. Last Friday, a congressman said 3 committees of the House of Representatives would be jointly conducting an inquiry into the controversy. Pwede ba yun? I don't know sa inyo. Lawmakers nga ang involved eh. Bakit sila rin ang mag-imbestiga? Kaya nga, yun na. DPWH, hindi pwede. Kamara, sila na ang gumagalaw. To me, hindi pwede. I don't know. While the public is interested in finding out the extent of the corruption that President Marcos highlighted in the recent SONA, questions have been raised on the propriety and impartiality of lawmakers conducting an inquiry into the anomalies that could implicate members of Congress. Talagang kaduda-duda kung sila ang mag-conduct ng investigasyon sa tingin ko. Ito rin ang sinasabi ng editorial. Questions have been raised. Karapat-dapat ba ng mga kongresista ang mag-imbestiga sa kontrobersya na ito? eyebrows were raised when lawmakers applauded lustily as the president in Isona told crooks pocketing funds for flood control to have some shame. Mahiya naman kayo. Anong sabi ni Mayor Magalong? Mga manhid kayo. Mga manhid. Mas maganda ang pahayag ni Senator Lacson dahil sabi niya, I still believe na meron pa ring lawmakers na malinis. And I also agree. Hindi lahat. May mga malilinis din yan. Kaya lang, ang iba dyan, mga ipokritong walang hiya. Yan po ang binitawang salita ni Senator Lacson. So, magpapasalamat po tayo sa dalawang leader natin ito, Senator Lacson and Mayor Magalong. Sila talaga yung simbolo ng good governance. Ayaw nila ng ating budget. Sinisingitan ng pork barrel. Okay, so the President back from his latest overseas trip. Ken, ito na yung suggestion, which I agree, dapat ganito na. Can designate a body that can carry out an impartial and credible audit of flood control projects. He can speed up the designation of a new ombudsman and task state prosecutors to help in determining corruption in flood control. After his much applauded job at the Shameless, the last thing he should want to be accused of protecting shameless sacred cows and of complicity and accoutrement. Dapat ang iwasan ng Pangulo yung ma-accuse siya na pagkatapos ng kanyang magandang speech sa Sona, makusan siya na tinatabunan din niya ang mga sacred cows. Shameless sacred cows. So, may maaasahan ba tayo sa Pangulo na mag-designate na siya? Yung iklaro na ba ang takbo ng investigasyon? Sa ngayon kasi, wala pa, as in malabo. Ang nagsasalita, gumagalaw, mga kongresista na tingin ng karamihan, hindi mo maasahan. An independent, yun ang suggestion ni Senator Lacson, an independent body. Nag-volunteer na si Mayor Magalong to head an investigation body. And he is qualified. Dati siyang CIDG chief. Kung i-designate ni PBBM si Mayor Magalong to head, sasaluduhan ko na siya. Papalakpakan natin siya dahil makita natin tutuhanan na talaga ang investigasyon nito kung matuloy na si Mayor Magalong ang head ng investigating body. Pag hindi, ay as usual, hanggang salita lang, speech only, no action ang kanyang Sona. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel.